Hi Cancerians, hope you're doing fine. This reading is for month end, basically from 22nd of March 2021 to 31st of March 2021. Let's see what these 10 days are going to bring in for you. I hope you saw last week's your zodiac reading. So this video is for you if you are a sun, moon, or your ascendant, which is the first house or lagna, or Venus is in the sign of Cancer. Okay, so I am using my unicorn card to get your advice, the main advice from the unicorns. Let's see. Invisibility. So your message is invisibility. And it says, take off your cloak of invisibility and let your light be seen. So it seems you are not visible to the people. Maybe you are applying for jobs, but you're not aware, like people can't see you, or maybe you are into a business and you're not able to market yourself. So make yourself visible. You have the support of the unicorns. This reading is anyways guided by the unicorns itself. So when I was during the pre-shuffle also, I was getting this card called Hope. So Hope was a card which actually was talking about, when I actually compare Hope and this invisibility card from the unicorn deck. So I am getting a message which says that probably you have been trying a lot, but the results have not been as apt as they should have been, or you expected them to be. But it's time for you to make yourself visible to people, be seen, basically, Cancerians. That's the whole idea. And do not lose hope. Okay, hope is the first step towards success. And market yourself, be visible. Remove that cloak of shyness, or maybe hesitation. Maybe I don't look nice, my personality, maybe I don't know how to speak in English, or maybe any other issue. Yeah, now we have Eight of Swords in reverse. This just jumped out. This is a card which says that it's time to release all that which is not serving you any good. You don't have to depend on somebody else to come and free you. You are free now. It's time to release all those hesitations and be seen. Okay. Yeah. Then comes the Queen of Swords. She is trying to cut through all the shit, all the negativities, all those things that have stopped you from moving forward. It seems to me that probably in your career, maybe in your business, or maybe somehow people have not been able to see the true you, the potential that you have, and it's time to be seen. It's time to be in public. It's time to actually show your real colors, your potential, your art, to the public. So and also it is time, and that will only happen when you give up on those hesitations, or maybe anything which is putting you keeping you stuck in your lower self. So it's time to see the truth, and it's time to show the truth. It's time to be very clear what you want, what you don't want. Probably you have not been able to say no to few things. Probably you have been trying to curb your own desires. It's time to get released of all that and live fully. Okay, nothing can bind you now, because Queen of Swords is a card which is a very powerful card. She just cuts through everything that stops her. Okay, let's really find out what is it actually trying to bring us towards in these 10 days. See, this is Daddy of Pentacles. So King of Pentacles is a card which says that I've really worked hard. I'm the most resourceful person possible. My business, or I may be holding a great position in the society, in the office, in the business, or whatever you're doing. You've really worked hard, but probably it's time for you to for your hard work to really manifest its fruits. So the time has come, the release is happening. It's very important that in your intentions also you release whatever is holding you, and become this king of pentacles, a person who is very hardworking, resourceful, talks values, has substance. People will follow this person. So that kind of an energy is here. So something of value, you know. Also, it seems that it's now is not a time for you to be caught up in your head, or continuously telling yourself that something is not made for you. Everything is now for you, because Queen of Swords and King of Pentacles is an energy which is a very established energy in the society. So and they also talk about an intelligent woman with entrepreneurship, with that money earning business mindset. Okay, let's see more. Thinking women, she is exactly the Queen of Swords from the energy card. This has got repeated, so it seems it is a very powerful energy for you. A thinking woman, somebody who will educate you, somebody who is very sharp, very witty, very communicative, headstrong. If she wants something, she will communicate. She's very vocal. She's very clear in her thought. There's no vagueness. There is, and you cannot fool her. She is a very practical lady who knows that she exists. She has an existence and nobody can curb it. So, thinking woman, somebody who, she's very intelligent. Maybe you are an author, maybe you're writing something, or you're a good reader. Maybe you're trying to learn something. It's time for you to really learn some new art. All the more Venus is in Pisces sign, one of your water signs, and it is exalted, so it actually asks you to learn some be a little beauty oriented, or beautiful thoughts oriented, creative oriented. So maybe you can think in that direction. Write a lot, because the thinking woman, she's holding a book in her hand. So it's good to be clear in your head. If you write your personal diary, that's really nice. These two energies, even if it is a queen or the thinking woman, it doesn't mean that this reading does not apply to Cancerian males. It doesn't make sense that way. It is a feminine energy. It is one of those very powerful energies that you are supposed to emulate, or somebody of that sort is in your environment, helping you out to take that next big step towards being the King of Pentacles. Okay, and to get released, to come out of this bondage, mental bondage that you were in. Yet another one, the broken heart. There must have been, that is why probably thinking women and the Queen of Swords, the same energy has repeated. It is a very practical energy, and it comes with this broken heart. It seems there has been some heartbreaks here. Probably that's what has put you a bit in the lower, probably that has made you feel a little low, Cancerians. Somebody would have said something, or maybe has broken your heart, they dished you, maybe some backbite, bitching happened. Somebody might have left you isolated, said something, did something. But it's time for you to really establish your career, your value, a life of value, by being emulating the characteristics of Queen of Swords and the thinking women. Probably this broken heart, this particular incident of heartbreaking has helped you to release a lot of load off your head and off your heart. So probably this whole broken heart scenario acted as a eye opener for you. Yet another card I would want to draw, the Temple Path. So this is a card of okay. So Temple Path is a card of spiritual progress. Okay, it is a card which says that it's time for you to really connect with your divinity, the spiritual side of yours. Maybe some sort of chantings or meditations or some mantra you can chant, and you know come back to that mastering of mind and owning your own divinity, understanding your own infinite potential and digging into it and bringing forth that. So probably this is a very good time. I understand you have gone through some sort of this pain, but that has acted as a protection in disguise for you to really take that next step for your life, wherein you release, you see the truth, you let go, you plan in these 10 days, you stand up for your own self and create a life of value. At least you take that first step, and also alongside you walk towards the divinity of yours. Okay, so that's a wonderful reading. I believe you will have to also see, this is a card of door to personal healing and happiness. So, though the words are talking about personal healing and happiness, it is also a card which says that, something of this sort has really broken you from inside. But now the whole thing is you have to heal yourself from this incident. Okay, so work a bit all over your divinity, be a little practical, and I think the whole this whole scenario in these 10 days you will be able to gauge properly. So these 10 days are really important for you, especially first 8 days. Okay, so all the best, Cancerians. Do share this video with your loved ones, and do comment in the comment box regarding how these 10 days month end treats you. Please take care of yourself. Bye bye.